Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting to the settings quickly. Unlock your device and open the Settings app. Once there, go straight to Notifications or Sound and Vibration so you can change behavior at the system level. You do this because system controls override app defaults and stop sound consistently. Make sure to have any urgent apps noted so you can adjust them individually later. This prevents surprises. Now tap Notifications to reveal global controls and per app options. Once inside Notifications, first mute global notification sounds by toggling Allow Sound or Switching System to Silent. Then, scroll to Apps. Pick each app that nags you, open its notification settings, and turn off the sound or set importance to low. You do the per app step because some apps ignore global mute for critical alerts. Make sure to check Do Not Disturb. Schedule it or allow only starred contacts. That gives you silent hours without missing key calls. Finish by testing. Send yourself a message or ask someone to trigger a notification to confirm sound is off. If you still hear alerts, restart the device so system settings fully apply. Make sure apps don't have an app sound toggle set separately. Open the app's own settings and silence notifications there too. If a single app ignores settings, clear its cache or reinstall it. This often fixes corrupted preferences. If problems persist, check for an OS update. Then repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.